Automator now allows you to generate previews if your data source is Glide, Noloco, Zapier, API, and more in the future. Previously and up until now, it was only possible for Airtable and ClickUp users to generate previews straight from Automator's interface, but now that option exists for every data source. On top of that, if your data source is I have API selected, but is API, Glide, Noloco, or Zapier at the moment, and more to follow. You also have the option to map data with AI or get some sample data randomly with AI. And let's have a look at how that works. I have set a template here, which is an invoice template. We can also have a look at it. It has a bunch of placeholders. Some logo placeholder here on top, some text placeholders, and then our line items. I save this, and then here on the right side, you see the preview area. The preview area has map sample data. If I click on this, I get this new window. And now I would have the option to either manually add data here, so I can add my static data here, the text placeholder data here, or I can add line items, which you see here. I can add many line items if I want to. What I can also do is I can click Generate AI Values, and this will basically auto-generate some values for me. So that way I can get to a working preview of a PDF within, I'd say, 1 to 2 minutes. There you go. Some data has been created, completely random, of course. And I can now save and close this and create a preview. The sample data itself is stored. So if you are coming back to this automation next time, the data will still be there. And as you can see, our PDF has been created with those two lines that the AI gave us. The AI will always just add 2 lines. That's how I've set it up. One didn't feel like a proper list. More would have been excessive, so I thought 2 is the right amount, but you can add more, as I said before. And as I also said, this is going to be saved. So if I, for instance, refresh my window here, you can see that the data is still there and is not removed. Images can be added at the moment. As you can see, I'm just using this great service called Lorem Pixum to add images here. So this can't be edited at the moment. Same would count for images added to line items. But yeah, I hope that makes it easier for you to generate documents. As I said, this is available for currently Glide, Noloco, Zapier, and API. So all of those that basically don't have records, or in the case of Airtable or in the case of ClickUp, it's tasks. So anything to pull from automatically for previews, for those, you have this new preview editor where you can add data, or you can use AI to auto generate data. Hope that helps, and let me know what you think. Speak to you soon. Bye-bye.